Some homes impress you the moment you walk in. Others make you imagine never wanting to leave. Picture mornings with coffee overlooking nearly an acre of peaceful woods, where your backyard ends at protected townland, giving you privacy that's hard to find. Every space feels thoughtfully designed, whether you're hosting holidays, working from home, or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire. And when the day is over, retreat to a spa-inspired primary suite that feels more like a luxury getaway than a home. With nearly $200,000 invested in renovations, from beautifully updated living spaces to major mechanical upgrades, you can simply move in and start making memories. If you've been searching for a property that offers space, comfort, and the kind of setting that immediately feels like home, 17 Royale Drive is one that you're going to want to experience in person. If you have questions in regard to this property or real estate in general, give me a call, 330-8750.